Heavy duty traders, NASDAQ 100 daily chart. We featured this on our website. Yes, we did. Traders, wealth of information under the indexes are all being uploaded right now. We said that there was going to be a 8 to 10% correction in the overall market, but we were really calling for that in the month of September, to be honest with you. It's already started. It's in play. The correction is here. Stay tuned with turbooptiontrading.com. Let's look at the NASDAQ 100 chart. It is right here with the MAG 7 in it, testing that 150-day with the doji on the 150-day moving average at 18,302. Sign up for that free 5-day trial. Let's make a friend. Everybody needs a friend when it comes to trading. It's no fun to be alone. What's more important, though, it's much funner when you're making money. We have a wealth of information on our website. We've been trading for 35 years. What more do you want? You've got a great home. Just sign up for the free 5-day trial and you'll see how great it is.